In this video, we will explore two powerful ways to use the SUM/IF function in Excel, helping you to streamline your calculations and boost your productivity. Let's start with the first method. Select Cell. Go to the Formula tab. Click on Math and Trig. Scroll down. Search for SUM/IF formula. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Select Range. Choose Criteria. Select Sum Ranges. Press OK. You can test result by changing value, and you will see that the result updates automatically. Now let's move on to the second method. Select Cell, press equals, SUM/IF function. Select Range. Comma, choose Criteria. Select Sum Ranges. Press Enter. Now you can see the result by changing values. If you have any question or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.